Hey everyone, welcome back to the B&W Woodcrafts YouTube channel. In this video you'll see the table get done, and let's get into it. So I skipped forward a little bit. This is the last step of the dyeing, just to make sure I had everything kind of filled in. I'll let this dry and then I'll go straight to stain after this. So the table's pretty close to done now. It's all just finishing from this point on. So as you can see, I finished the staining and dyeing process, and now I've got the first coat of clear polyurethane on it. I'm actually sanding now to get all the dirt and stuff out of that top of that polyurethane, and then I'll put 2 more coats of poly on top, sanding in between each. So finally, the last step, 3rd coat of poly on the bottom of the table, and then I'll flip it over and do the same to the top. I didn't show that in this because you kind of get the gist of it, but I will show the last coat of poly going on in the customer's house. And here we go. Here's the installed table. I put the last coat of poly in the house. It rained that day, so I went ahead and sanded and put that last coat on. I actually had audio from when I put this in, but I had the customer talking over the back, so I just went ahead and voiced over. So now I just put this picture up. You can see the kind of where I started as far as the arches together, and then you can see me mocking it up when it's almost done. And then the top picture, you can just see it in the house. And this is actually a picture I took when I went in to install some built-ins at the customer's house. She had already put everything down. She still has 2 chairs to buy at the end, but I think it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Like I said, this is the last video of this series, so check me out. I'm going to actually be working on my shop pretty soon, so you'll see those soon. Thanks. Bye.